Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the food processor that I have started using recently. No matter how much we enjoy cooking, tasks like kneading, chopping, mincing, cutting can get you more tedious and tiresome. So I have a fantastic news to share about a multi-purpose device that can take care of everything in the kitchen. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. This is my Bajaj FX 1000 DLX food processor, which has got a 1000 watts motor capacity and a perfect friend in the kitchen with so many features. The best feature about this food processor is it doesn't work if the jar is not properly fixed to the base. So I personally feel this is one of the best and safest feature ever. When the jar is not locked, the motor doesn't work. This is how you will hear a sound that the jar is locked and ready to be used. Now let's see its multifunctional usage. Chopping onions. This is always a tedious task. Let's enjoy chopping with the use of chopper blade. Just put onions in the jar and leave the rest. The chopping is done effortlessly. See how finely onions have been chopped in just few minutes. I have chopped almost half a kg of onions to prepare a thick gravy. Let me tell you, this atta kneader is a savior for busy mornings. Just add all the ingredients and turn on the food processor. In just 2 to 3 minutes, the atta for palak paratha will be ready. No hand kneading is required at all. See the perfect atta for making parathas. Making citrus fruit juice like Mosambi and orange is very simple with this citrus juice maker. Always ensure that the parts are locked properly. I find this very useful if I wanted to have Mosambi or orange juice without adding water. See how nicely and effortlessly the juice got extracted. This one is called the centrifugal juicer, which can be used to take juice from hard and soft vegetables and fruits. With the help of this jar, I am going to make some fresh carrot juice. We just have to place the peeled carrots and press it from the top. So this is how the fresh carrot juice got extracted without adding water, and look at the pulp. The pulp and the juice is separated. This is the perfect juice for health conscious people who doesn't want to add anything to their juice. Shredding vegetables like carrot, beetroot and cabbage is no more a hectic job with this shredder. There are two types of blades here. One is for fine shredding and the other is for thicker shredding. This setup is for fine shredding. We just need to place the vegetables and press from the top and start the food processor. As you can see, the shredding is done so effortlessly and perfectly. Here comes another task, which is slicing of vegetables, especially for salads like cucumber and carrot. This is the separate attachment for slicing. We can adjust the blade according to the fineness that we require for salads. Now let's see how effortlessly the vegetables will get sliced in just a fraction of seconds. This is how my vegetable salad is ready without any effort. Let me tell you, this juicer jar is another blessing for me. When I posted 7-day smoothie recipes, after seeing the videos, some of my subscriber friends have started asking me about the food processor that I use. This jar is so perfect if I wanted to make milkshakes, smoothies and juices. We just have to add all the ingredients together and turn on the food processor. We need not to hold the jar or cover the top with our palms. I can do multitasking in the kitchen while my smoothie is getting ready without worrying about the spillage. I have almost covered everything about the food processor. The extra jars like chutney grinding jar and wet and dry grinding jars are similar to the traditional mixer. How is it? Isn't it interesting and useful? Hope you all liked my video. Let's catch up again with some other interesting content. Until then, take good care of yourselves. Bye.